Hello dear students, our today's topic is electric dipole. What is electric dipole? And explain field of dipole on the axis. Okay, so this question is divided in two parts. The question is what is electric dipole? What is electric dipole? So in the first half question we will discuss about the dipole, and in the second half we will explain the field of dipole on the axis. Okay, so what is dipole? Dipole is a system. It is a system of two charges. First we will see its definition. An electric dipole is a system of two equal and opposite charges separated by a finite distance. See, two charged particles which having the same magnitude but opposite charges. See, one of the charge having positive and this one is negative. Negative charge and positive charge, but the magnitude is same. Magnitude means its value. Suppose it is 2 coulomb, so it will be 2 coulomb. If it is 4 coulomb, so it will be 4 coulomb. Magnitudes, its value will be same, but the charges are different. It is, if it is positive, then it will be negative, and they are separated by a finite distance. Here its distance is twice a. So this system is known as electric dipole. Okay, so this is electric dipole. Electric dipole is a system and its definition is written here. If 2a is the distance between two charges plus q and minus q, the dipole of the system is given by, it is dipole moment. Dipole moment is represented by P, and it is a product of magnitude of one of the charge and distance. One of the charge Q and its separation distance twice a. This product is called dipole moment. Dipole moment is a vector quantity and its unit is coulomb meter. Its unit is coulomb meter and its dimension is m0, L1, T1, A1. Its dimension. So dear students, it is your electric dipole system and electric dipole moment. Now let's talk about the second half question. Explain field of dipole on the axis. Field on the axis. Now you just focus in this figure. Here two charges, positive charge and negative charge, are separated by a finite distance twice a. So this is your dipole, and on this axis, on the same axis, here a point P situated. On this point we have to find electric field due to this dipole, means electric field due to a charge q and electric field due to a charge minus q on point P. Now let's talk about its figure. See, if two charges which are separated by a finite distance twice a, and here suppose this is the midpoint. So if it is midpoint, then this distance is your a, this distance is a, so total distance is twice a. Okay, now here at point P we have to find a field due to charge plus q and due to charge minus q. Now from the origin of the dipole to point P distance is r. Okay, point P distance, point P to this origin is distance r. Let the point P be at a distance r from the center of the dipole on the side of the charge q. Okay. Now electric field. Let's find the electric field at point P due to a minus q charge. Minus q charge. Now we know very well electric field formula is E equals to kq upon r square. Kq upon r square, square of the distance between them. So minus q. So electric field due to negative charge is equals to K minus Q. This charge is negative now, so minus KQ upon R. Distance between this negative charge to point P. This distance is R and the remaining distance is A. So total distance is small r plus A. So R plus A whole square, unit vector P cap, where P cap is the unit vector along the dipole axis. Okay. Similarly, electric field at point P due to plus Q charge. Now what will be the distance between positive charge and point P? Simple. If I subtract this small a distance from this R, it will be the distance between positive charge and the P, means cap R minus A. R minus A is the distance between positive charge and P, means R minus A is the distance between these two. Now electric field at point P due to positive charge, KQ upon R minus A whole square, unit vector P cap. So finally we got the electric field, individual electric field of due to a plus Q charge and minus Q charge. Now total field at point P. So simple summation, electric field due to positive charge plus electric field due to negative charge. Now substitute its value from equation 1 and equation 2. This value is for negative charge here and this value is for positive charge. Here we will substitute. So in that previous formula, I substituted the value of plus Q charge and minus Q charge electric field, and KQ is common, taking KQ common. So the remaining terms are as it is. Now find out its LCM. If you solve this part, means R square plus twice AR plus A square minus into bracket R square minus twice AR plus A square, like this. If you solve this part, so you will got the answer KQ as it is into the bracket 4AR R square minus A square whole square, unit vector P cap as it is. For R is greater than A. For R is greater than A. What does it mean? See, if this distance is very greater than this A, in this situation A will be neglected. So neglecting A, so R square power 2, so 2 to the 4, R raised to power 4, and in numerator here already R is there, so R and power 4 1 R cancel, so R raised to power 3. Okay, so 4 AR KQ as it is upon this value, or you can substitute the value of K 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught 4 AQ as it is, and here R raised to power 3 PQ P cap unit vector. So finally we have completed this question. What is electric field? Explain field of dipole on the axis. First you note down these points and solve it, try it yourself. All the best.